Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is an easy and healthy homemade granola. It's easy to make, delicious and nutritious. We will need like 2.5 cups of oatmeal, the old-fashioned. You can use any quantity you want of oatmeal, but I'm using here 2.5 cups of old-fashioned oats or oatmeal. And for the nuts, you use the quantity that you prefer and whatever you have home. I have different kind of seeds like pumpkin seeds and also nuts. I have cashews, pecans, walnuts, almonds. Any kind of seeds you have, you can add them there. You can cut them into small pieces or leave them whole like that. Mix everything. But for raisins and other seeds, I don't add them right now. I will coat all this mixture with equal quantity of honey and coconut oil. That's what I'm using. I melt them, then add the honey and coconut oil gradually to the mixture and until everything is coated, but not over coated, not too much, You need only to coat everything with the honey and almond and coconut oil. I'm mixing to be sure everything is coated. The quantity that I used was enough for everything, like 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 2 tablespoons of honey for this quantity. But if you have some more liquid there, honey and coconut oil, you can simply add a little bit more of oats and it will absorb the excess of honey and oil. That's it. Mix everything good. In this time, I preheat the oven 350, 360. Then I will coat a baking sheet with parchment paper and put my mixture right there on the baking sheet. I spread it in one layer. Like that, everything will get toasted and evenly. And be sure when you put it in the oven, from time to time, mix it. Don't leave it like that without mixing it from time to time. Like that, everything will get crunchy and brown in the same way. And be careful to don't burn the oats and the nuts. Pay attention to this mixture when you put it in the oven. That's very important. It will take only like 8 to 10 minutes, not long, to get in all brown and crunchy. And here I sprinkle some sea salt before that I put it in the oven. This saying that the sea salt balance the flavor. Like always when we bake something, we put a little bit of salt. Also for the granola or the muesli, we sprinkle a little bit of sea salt. And this is the final result after a few minutes. My granola is ready, very crunchy, but not burned. Delicious and nutritious, is homemade, easy and healthy. This granola, you can eat it with milk or by yourself, or put it on top of your yogurt with some fruits. It's really delicious and healthy type of granola, and it's homemade. You know exactly what's on it. No preservatives, no colors, no artificial nothing. It's really good. As you see here, I have also some peanuts here. If you have any raw peanuts, you can add them when you are toasting this granola. Also, if you have some raw cashews, any nuts you have, you can add them here. Sesame seeds, but if you have sesame seeds, add them to the end. Toast them a little bit in a frying pan and add them in the end. See, my granola here is ready. Now you can add all the other ingredients that don't need to be toasted in the oven. Some almonds here. This almonds is already roasted almonds, dry roasted almonds. Some cranberries. Also, I'm adding some raisins. You can add any kind of raisins you have, anything you prefer, and whatever you have in your home, you can add it. Mix everything together, and your granola is ready to go. Also, if you like some sesame seeds or coconut flakes, you can add them. Mix everything well before that you store it. And it's very important for storing this granola to stay fresh and crunchy. You have to store them on airtight containers. If you have the glass containers, it's good. If not, use the plastic ones, but the really good airtight ones like that. Your granola stay fresh and crunchy for a long period. And as you see here, it's 2 cups and a half of oats or oatmeal, and a little bit of each kind of nuts and seeds. It makes me a good quantity of granola or muesli to go in the morning with milk or yogurt, or you take it as a lunch. You add some fruits and yogurt to it, and it's the most important is homemade, easy, healthy, delicious, and nutritious. That was the video for today and the recipe. See you next time in a new video, a new recipe, and enjoy.